We're at the Phillips Nature Path here.
How's it going, guys?
Disclosed location.
We're gonna take a nice little walk around, see what kind of entities we might have up in here.
Ooh. Yeah. See, it's a little watery over there, guys, so be careful. We're gonna be careful here. I know.
As long as we stay on the left side here.
I know our fans don't
Keep an
want.
eye on your.
No, I am, dude. I'm just trying to make sure I don't step
You
in
got
any.
nothing in front of you. It's all on this left side.
Okay. It feels a little.
I got you.
Okay.
It's a little muddy, but you're clear.
Okay, good.
Just keep an eye on everything. And see if you got anything. Who do we have out here with us? Got any spirits out here?
Anybody want to show up on my camera in the woods here?
Got anybody that wants to reveal themselves? Orb, shadow creatures,
If you want to show up here, it would be nice.
manifestations. We've been catching a lot of different creatures lately. Gnomes.
Ooh, never mind, dude. Look at that.
That's a big pile of mud right there.
Fuck it, dude. Let's go.
Stay all the way on your left. I think you might be all right. Is that good on your left or
It's
right?
all mud.
Hold on. What we got over here? Yeah. Stay as close as you can to this side here. Just like that. Keep your eye on.
Okay, guys. We just had to find a way around the mud there. Ooh, and about slipped and fell.
You
Don't-
got anybody?
Man, what's with this path being so flooded? I am, dude. I'm just trying to make sure I don't slip and fall.
Oh, you gotta slip. This is all rock again.
Sorry if my camera went out of focus there. I had to avoid the mud there. This is.
We're gonna go that way.
Ooh,
Yeah, we'll go straight up. We'll go around that little pond. I don't think we're gonna be able to come back through here.
oh, definitely not. That's a little muddier than the other one.
So who do we have out here with us tonight? Any
Oh.
farmers?
You seen that? It's down.
See a figure?
No. So I seen an orb.
Well, it's kind of hard with that light there, though. That's kind of what messes you up too, is the lights. That could be a flare, or it could actually be something.
Well, it's not there now. Okay, guys, I thought I seen something, but it could not have been.
Don't forget to get over here, because that's where that little drop off is. Oh, it's right there.
Who do we have here with us? Any spirits?
Who died out here?
Any spirits of like children or adults?
We are near train tracks as well, so if you passed away on the tracks, passed away in this little water over here, or the fire that took place quite some time ago.
Oh yeah, you can't forget about that.
Even like a little bit.
Yeah, that's just a tree.
That little drop off over there.
Uh-oh. What's this? It's gone. Where'd it go? It disappeared.
Well, it's kind of hard with the.
Right there. What's this? Oh,
It could be.
it could be yeah, I don't know. But it's hard to tell.
You might want to try to get darker areas too. Probably try to stay away from lights if you can. And if they pop out,
Yeah, that's just
am I manifesting
that's
out
just
here?
Vinny's shadow. So if you see shadows, don't worry, that's just ours. We'll see if you see anything that's not. Ooh, what's that?
That's a little weird. What is that?
Do we have a spirit here? Is there a shadow figure right there?
I'm gonna put my hand over.
Oh wait, no. I think it's just it might just be. Yeah, it's just over there.
Okay.
I thought it looked like something, but you can see it's
did
dark
look
over
like
there.
that a little bit,
Yeah. So we'll probably just look at that again just to make sure. You never know.
Yeah, we got that field back here, and then we got this little path over there.
True. And guys, what you seen there, that was just Vinny's hand in front of my phone, so don't worry about it.
You might want to bring it down just a little notch, not much.
There we go.
We want to try to exit as much light as we can when we do it.
True. true.
Keep an eye out on the field, maybe a little bit here.
Just
Do
make
a
sure you
little
don't.
walk around.
Make sure you don't get too much doing it. Make sure you don't get ahead of me there.
Yeah. You can also be speaking to our device.
We're not using. We're just doing regular cams. So if you can, not regular cam. I'm sorry. It's night vision cam.
We're not using any EVP tonight.
Yeah. So just if you want to speak to us, feel free. We'll see if we can get it on our phone. We've gotten speech on here before. I think it was the Bloody Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's where we got the speech before.
We've gotten speeches a few times.
So how am I doing? I think I'm doing okay. Watch out, there's a stick right there. Because tripping on sticks hurt. Okay, guys, we're walking.
Don't get too close to the water.
Whoa, what the hell? That's just lighter. Is this light right there? Ooh, I don't know. Yeah, it might be. I don't know. But where's that coming from? See, it's coming from over here, but
Look,
it's still there.
it is still there.
Ooh.
There's two.
There ain't
Well, the one is staying, the other one's. Oh, they're both staying. I think.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't know.
See,
That's
if you
okay.
guys are real, come over this way a little bit by these trees. Can you move over by these trees?
Well, see, what is?
Oh, it moved by the trees. What? Go that way. You come by these trees?
It's coming out of the trees, and there's that one that follows it right there. Besides the light right there, that ain't gonna. Is that gonna even make a difference over here? Can you move towards us? See, dude, it's fading in and out. It's moving by itself.
I see I'm blocking the lens. So went back over this way by the tree. Do you mind popping out of the tree real quick?
If that was an orb we just seen, like he said, come out of the trees right there.
Can you manifest right there in front of the tree?
Looks kind of weird there.
Does look a little strange.
See, that's weird, man. I just don't get it.
We'll keep going. It's hard to say. I mean, I know you got that big bright light there. It kind of makes it kind of.
Yeah, but see, but it's coming from this way. That's
Yeah,
the
it's
weird
kinda
thing.
Shooting out from the left.
And it's a small light. I mean,
Well, I mean, it could.
it could produce that, but the problem is it's coming from this way.
Yeah, it's coming left.
There ain't no way, because if it was this, it'd be straight at us when we look
Yeah.
up there. But it came from the trees.
Alright, maybe get more towards the tree area. See if you get anything.
Okay, guys, I'm looking towards the tree area here. God, I don't like this play area. Dude, that water blue?
Yeah.
Damn.
Ooh, birdie. We got a lot of random animals.
Yeah, especially birds.
Birds and some no crazy dog or anything.
God, if that's the case, man, we're running. Well, actually, you know what? Neither one of us
We
can.
could get by these train tracks too. I mean, the train tracks right on the other side here, so we can see if anything wants to pop up for us over there too.
Benny?
Yeah.
You have to look real closely. Do you think there's anything in the distance there? That's
Just
awkward.
zoom in a little bit. Oh, right here. Yeah. No, you're gonna have to use your a little bit less.
It's over.
Right over here. Oh, wait. Go over this way a little bit. Your left. It's right there.
It's right there.
Zoom out a little bit. Or zoom back. Yeah, zoom back out.
Thought I seen something right there.
Can you pop out of the woods over there?
Can you pop out for a little bit so I can take a picture? Can you stand by the trash can right there? I'm gonna take a few pics, guys. Over there. There. Okay. Let me zoom back to. Okay, guys.
We might have got something
Is that zoomed out enough?
there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
We can walk over this way and see if we get anything by these tracks.
Okay, guys, we're gonna see if we can get anything by these train tracks here. Don't forget we gotta grab our pops.
Right over here, guys, is where we saw that shadow figure behind here, and it ran towards the track not too long ago.
And not to be honest with you, when we walked through the neighborhood and saw that looked like a tombstone, I could have sworn one of the pictures or the video I seen something standing behind it. Dude, let's walk in there.
Let's do it. We're gonna go through here.
Guys, we're going through a dark area. If we don't come out, we love you guys. I'm just kidding.
Is
Oh,
anybody
shit.
here? Oh,
Oh, God. I'm getting my ass scared.
who's out here?
Is that too dark? No, I think that's good.
You could brighten it up if you need to.
There
It's
we
a darker area.
Yeah, there. Is that better? I think it's better.
Who's out here that wants to come out?
Anybody here? Okay, let's keep on going, Vinny. We can't be scared.
A little bit more.
Dude, look how far that goes down. Whoa. Okay, guys, we've never been behind here. And
What do you got?
thought I seen an orb, but it's too hard. It's too hard to tell because it's kind of blurry. If you let us, guys, and when you watch this video, let us know if you see anything that we don't see. I mean, we'll watch it first, see if we capture anything. But we will be doing a live tonight, same time. Then we can talk about our previous videos where we did, where my buddy Vinny here apparently caught a couple of gnomes. And one where we just caught something hiding behind like a little storage trailer. And and then next thing you know, it vanished. So we'll be talking about that. So any of you want to talk about that, we will be doing it live at our same time at 11 o'clock tonight.
Yep, and I'm allowed to post that so that way people know that we're
Yep. What the hell's right there?
That's a post. Out there.
That thing got torn to shreds, it looked like. Alright, before I close out this video, which has been 12 minutes. Damn.
Good. We'll
Yep.
walk back towards the front end over here.
So you just want to walk this
yeah,
way?
we could walk back down.
Okay, I'll keep on keeping an eye on it there,
Keep an
fellers.
eye towards the woods and that.
Yeah, see,
if we got anything
I can't
over
dim the
by
light.
that.
I can't dim the light much more. I don't want it too dark. Yeah, let me try. Okay, there we go.
Out this way. We could walk back by there real quick. See
Okay.
if we actually get anything. Would you please come out here?
Is that too dark to you, Vinny?
That should be okay. I
Okay.
mean,
Well, okay, I don't want it too dark,
yeah.
but yet I don't want it too light either. So it's a lose-lose situation. So I got to keep it just right.
We just need you to pop out. We thought we saw you on the camera.
What the heck is that? Oh, that's an electric box?
Yeah, for that one.
Oh, okay.
That's the pump. Would you mind walking out? Are you by the gazebo here?
I could have sworn I seen something over here.
Who's over here? You gotta use this as your eye.
I am.
Just come on out, buddy. We're not here to harm you.
Yeah, if you could just come out for a second so we can take a picture. It got light, it got dark there.
Got dark there and light there for a second.
Take a couple pics there.
Go back that way. Slow. Is that you by the tree?
That looks like a figure.
Right by the tree. I don't see it with my naked eye either.
Okay,
You want me to go closer?
go ahead.
No, I meant, do you want to go closer or do you want me to go closer?
Go ahead and go closer, dude.
No, I meant with the cam.
Here you go, dude.
All right, here we
Your
go,
time.
guys.
Vinny's taking over, guys.
Taking over.
You don't want to get too close to it, might get scared.
Are you here? Would you mind waving?
Can you wave at us?
Where'd you go?
Hi. You got something here?
Who we have in here? You mind manifesting better or
I don't know if that's
using up some energy?
It's kind of hard to tell.
I know.
You don't
it
know if that's
is.
of the darkness or not because they hide in the darkness.
Can you rustle the wind? Rustle the mean, I know that's wind, but I mean, can you rustle something for me? Make a snapping noise? We're not here to harm you, guy.
Yeah, just step on something in the woods so we know you're there. We just want to know your existence.
Alright, guys. I'm trying to keep an eye on a few things, see if...
There might have been some orbs, guys. I'm not too sure. I mean, some people say it might be the light, but
Could be a lens flare, could be...
The angle it was at, it was kind of weird.
We'll let you guys be the judge of that.
Yeah, because we're not too sure ourselves by looking at them.
We're trying to see if you're here with us. Can you rustle something for me?
Can you make any noise in the woods there? Step on a tree limb?
Can you run across this little field right here? You don't have to come too close if you don't want to. Just run through, or...
Yeah, or can you stand by the tree right there? Can you appear just for a brief minute? So we can get a pic.
Alright.
Ooh.
You're standing behind the tree?
He's either standing behind it or...
It's weird.
What the hell was that?
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Like the arm sticking out right there.
Right there, yeah. But then also, Vinny, if you look over there, it's a little blurry too.
Yeah.
Right in front of us, like a little blurry.
Uh-huh. Just speak into this cam for us.
What about over there? Looks kind of dark over there. Take any possible pictures we can get.
Alright, guys. I'm going to take a few quick pics before we close out here. I'm taking pics as I go, guys.
This will be our 93rd video.
Woohoo.
And we've done, over the course of the last 4 months, we've done over 40 videos.
Yeah.
43 to be exact. This is number 43.
Alright, guys.
This is 44.
We appreciate your viewing and
We really
liking
do.
and
Yep. And
subscribing.
we will post later about the Ohio Haunt Paranormal Live. It'll be at the same time like it always is, 11 p.m.
Alright.
See you guys later.